Maka Bahul Sir Bondorkar may have been of the MGP. He was our first Chief Minister of Goa, and we have high regard and respect for him. And I don't think that we need to bring anybody to be compared. Dr. Jacksikera on the other side was leader or the father of the opinion poll who has his own stature, and each leader has his own stature. And I think that I don't want to wade into that controversy of trying to bring somebody. I'll give you an example. If I want to bring up somebody, I would like someone to be better than me. I would not want someone to be just like me. So I think that would.
तुम्ही युनायटेड असतले फॉर असेंब्ली.
As far as Congress Legislative Party, we are all united. As far as the rest of the opposition, we will be having a meeting and we will see who's with us, who's not with us.
No, but this, as far as opposition, as far as Congress, but opposition all together. No? You are trying to ask me about that?
To my view, I think we are united because the issues which we are, maybe each one may be tackling in a different manner, but I think we are all united on the same page.
Okay.
Thank you.